Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hey everyone, I'm coming on today to share with you another lamp idea using the bowls from the Dollar Tree. I found some more bowls. I was in Dollar Tree the other day. Nice clear bowls. So I said, you know what, let me make a lamp with these bowls. So that's what I'm coming on to do today. I'm going to share you how I made a nice lamp using dollar store items and more. Alright everyone, let's get into today's DIY. Okay, here are the bowls that I got from the Dollar Tree. Aren't they nice? Nice and clear. Look kind of crystally, but they are a hard plastic. Okay, I'm going to take some of this Glam stickers that we have here and decorate going around our bowls. We have 3 bowls all together. So I'm just going to take my time and go around just the edge of each bowls with these stickers, with these Glam stickers. Okay, next I have a glass that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be adding some of these Glam strips here that I got from Walmart. And they do come with a self-adhesive on the back, so I'm just going to be placing them going with a little slant down our glass. Now, this is our top piece for the lampshade. So I have this knob here that I got from Amazon. And I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it to the top part of our bowl. Now I have these 2 bowls. That'll be the bottom part of our lamp. And I'm going to place them like this, one on top of the other. And I'm just going to use some hot glue. You could use any adhesive that you would like to do to glue down your project. I'm just using some hot glue. Now that they're all glued together, I'm going to be taking the glass, which will be the base of our lamp, and again using some more hot glue. I'm going to glue it down to the middle of our lamp. And here is our finished look. I think it looks lovely. It was an easy and glam DIY using items from the dollar store and more. And here it is with some tea lights inside. After all, it is a lamp. And I dimmed the lights some more to show you how it would look. I think it looks absolutely lovely. I love how it has the reflectant on it through the little crystals. They're in the lampshade part. I think it looks so beautiful. A very nice and easy DIY to do for yourself or as a gift for a loved one. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY lamp. I think it's lovely. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this lamp DIY that I shared with you, and I do hope you make one for yourself. It looks nice and elegant. It looks so easy to make. And I do hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's video. And if you're not subscribed, hope you hit that subscribe button to become part of the Glamster team. And hit the bell so you be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. Alright everyone, remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.